Greetings, travel buffs. Just before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content like this. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the serene world of Bali's wellness retreats. We'll delve into the heart of yoga sanctuaries, meditation centers, and luxurious spas, all infused with the unique richness of Balinese culture. Wellness in Bali isn't just a trend, it's a way of life, deeply intertwined with the island's spiritual fabric. So, ready to explore the tranquil side of Bali? Buckle up. Imagine starting your day with sun salutations, surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of nature. Welcome to Bali's yoga retreats. In this tropical paradise, you'll find yoga retreats scattered across the island, each one offering a unique experience. Some are nestled in the heart of vibrant jungles, where the only sounds you'll hear are the rustle of leaves and the distant calls of exotic birds. Others are perched on cliff tops, overlooking the vast azure sea, where you can practice your poses with the rhythmic crash of waves as your soundtrack. These yoga retreats cater to all levels of experience. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of yoga, or an advanced practitioner seeking to deepen your practice, there's a retreat for you. Each one offers a range of classes from gentle hatha and restorative yin, to the more dynamic vinyasa and ashtanga styles. But these retreats offer more than just yoga. They're sanctuaries for the body and mind. They're places where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with yourself. You can start your day with a rejuvenating yoga class, spend the afternoon in a meditation session, and end the day with a nourishing, plant-based meal. All the while, you're surrounded by like-minded individuals, forming a community of wellness seekers. And let's not forget about the incredible benefits of yoga. It's not just about flexibility and strength. Yoga can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote overall well-being. You'll leave these retreats not only feeling physically rejuvenated, but also mentally refreshed. In Bali, the practice of yoga is intertwined with the local culture. The Balinese believe in a holistic approach to health, focusing on the harmony between mind, body, and spirit. This philosophy is reflected in their yoga retreats, creating an authentic and immersive experience. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, Bali's yoga retreats have something to offer everyone. As you pack your yoga mat and embark on this wellness journey, remember that it's not about perfecting the poses, it's about the journey itself, the connection with nature, and the inner peace that comes with it. So take a deep breath, find your balance, and let Bali's yoga retreats guide you towards a healthier, happier you. Now, let's shift from the physical to the spiritual. Bali's meditation centers offer a serene space to find inner peace. Bali, often referred to as the island of the gods, is a paradise for those seeking tranquility and spiritual growth. The meditation centers here are as diverse as the island itself, offering a wide range of practices designed to help you find your inner peace. From guided sessions that walk you through every breath and thought, to silent retreats where you can delve into your consciousness uninterrupted, there's an avenue for everyone to explore the depths of their mind. These practices are not just imported trends, they're deeply rooted in the Balinese culture, a culture that values harmony and balance above all else. Meditation in Bali is not seen as a luxury or a pastime, but as a way of life, a path to spiritual enlightenment. The Balinese believe that through meditation, we can attain a state of pure consciousness, free from the distractions of the material world. So, what can one expect to gain from these meditation practices? One of the most immediate benefits is stress relief. In our fast-paced world, stress is an unwanted constant. Meditation allows us to break away from these stresses, to clear our minds and focus on the present moment. It's a practice that encourages us to step back, breathe, and simply be. But the benefits of meditation extend far beyond just stress relief. It's a tool for cultivating mindfulness, for fostering a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. With regular practice, meditation can help us become more patient, more compassionate, and more in tune with our thoughts and emotions. Bali's meditation centers are not just places for quiet contemplation. They're places of transformation, where people from all walks of life come to find peace and leave with a renewed sense of purpose and understanding. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, taking a moment to pause and meditate can work wonders for your mental well-being. So, whether you're a seasoned meditator or a curious beginner, Bali's meditation centers are a sanctuary waiting for you to explore. After a rejuvenating yoga session and a peaceful meditation, how about a relaxing spa treatment? The island of Bali, a paradise nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, offers more than just stunning landscapes and cultural richness. It's also a haven for those seeking the ultimate in relaxation and wellness through its diverse array of luxurious spas. Picture yourself in an oasis of tranquility, where the art of pampering has been taken to a new level of indulgence. Bali's spas, known for their exceptional services, offer treatments ranging from the traditional to the modern, each designed to rejuvenate the body, calm the mind, and uplift the spirit. Renowned for their holistic approach, these spas integrate age-old Balinese healing traditions into their treatments. The traditional Balinese massage, for instance, is a must-try. This centuries-old therapy combines acupressure, reflexology, and aromatherapy to stimulate circulation, ease muscular and joint pain, and bring about a sense of well-being, calm, and deep relaxation. But the indulgence doesn't stop there. Many of these spas also offer a variety of modern wellness treatments. From hot stone massages to body wraps and facials, each service is specially designed to cater to your unique needs and preferences, ensuring a personalized wellness journey. And what sets Bali's spas apart is their commitment to natural, locally sourced ingredients. Imagine your skin being pampered with a blend of exotic Balinese spices and herbs, or your body being immersed in a bath filled with fragrant, locally grown flowers. These natural ingredients not only enhance the effectiveness of the treatments but also create a sensory experience that is uniquely Bali. Now let's not forget the setting. Many of these spas are nestled in serene locations surrounded by lush tropical gardens or overlooking the breathtaking Balinese coastline, further enhancing the sense of tranquility and peace. So, after a day of yoga and meditation, or even a day spent exploring the island's cultural riches, what better way to unwind than in one of Bali's luxurious spas? Whether you prefer traditional therapies or modern treatments, these spas promise a healing experience that nurtures the body, soothes the mind, and revives the spirit. There's no better way to end your day in Bali than with a soothing spa treatment. And that, dear viewers, is a glimpse into Bali's wellness retreats. We've journeyed together through tranquil yoga sanctuaries, meditative retreats replete with inner peace, and indulged in the ultimate relaxation of Bali's luxurious spas. Each of these experiences is steeped in the unique Balinese culture, offering benefits that extend beyond physical well-being. So, if you're seeking a vacation that nourishes the body, soothes the mind, and rejuvenates the spirit, Bali's wellness retreats await you. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights. Until next time, stay adventurous.